So hi friend, this is Amit. As you all are doing the JOSA Counseling 2024, so here is the update regarding the mock allotment 2. As you सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे आप जा सकते हैं. You all have got the mock allotment 1. Many of you haven't got the seat, so you have done the changes, and now up to 5 p.m. today, if you have done the changes, that will be reflected in tomorrow's mock allotment 2. That is, mock allotment 2 will be done on 17th around 12:30 p.m. and as they are punctual about the timing that they will provide at the right time, so once they will announce the mock allotment 2, I will surely inform you. But let me show you here how you will able to check that. Before that, I would like to request to do the choice filling very carefully, and if you want, I can help you. Like this student, I will help you personally for the choice filling one to one. I will check it through the login password or through sharing the Google Meet link. Then it will be very clear, and all the cross checking will be done from my side itself, so that there will be no mistake done in the choice filling. Like this, you can do your choice filling. Here you can check the complete information, that is how to fill the choices in a correct order. I will provide you, that is one to one. It is not like every student will fill the same choices in the JOSA counseling, because every student have different type of rank and different type of expectation, so you have to fill accordingly, otherwise you will regret later, because after 18 you will not able to change the choices, or you will not able to add any choices. So that's why it is important. So to check your mock allotment 2, you have to just log in on your JOSA website or login portal by using your application ID and password, and here in the section that is available services, view mock seat allotment detail. On the same link, you will able to get the mock allotment 2 result. That is, earlier it was showing only first result, but now it will show you the second, that is mock allotment 2. Mock allotment 1 allocation result will be not available at that time. So kindly check your mock allotment 1 detail as of now if you haven't checked. But if you want to check 2, then tomorrow after 12:30 p.m. you will able to check, that is afternoon 12:30, you will able to check the mock allotment 2. That is, most of the student will get the same. I can say you 90% student will get the same allotment if you have not done any type of changes in the choice filling, because there is no decision making between mock 1 and mock 2. So how the cutoff will change? So the cutoff will be same, that's why you will get the same type of allotment mock 2. But no need to worry, in the upcoming round you will able to get the seat, because decision making will be there, many students will be out of the counseling process, so accordingly the cutoff will change. Last year data also you can change, round 1, round 2, round 3 cutoff is different depending on the cutoff of the different round. So the important thing is that you have to change the choices accordingly before, that is on or before 18, to get the best out of your rank. So if you want, you can contact me. There is a very nominal charge for that. On the screen sidewise, I am showing you regularly that all the students who were registered with my guidance, they have got their allotment. If you are from PWD, you will get the PWD verification approval 100% sure. I can show you that also. So complete guidance is provided by me only, that is up to admission is done, one-to-one guidance will be provided. So if you want, you can check the description box to contact me whenever you want, through WhatsApp or Insta, as well as through app and website also. Thank you. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this, you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, VITSAT, COMEDK, EEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well, and once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background, so there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So that on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that, and by sending a bit.